craft friends, Tracy here with Sweet Bay Lane, and welcome if you're new. I am so glad you stopped in to craft with us because this is part 1 of a 7-part series where we are going to be DIY crafting all things spring. Yes, you heard that right. We're skipping past winter and we're jumping right into our spring DIYs. Now we're going to be working with a variety of supplies in these DIYs, but for part 1 we're going to be working with mostly Dollar Tree supplies. So let's go ahead and get started. Here are just some of the supplies we'll be using for this DIY. The first and main supply is going to be the Dollar Tree Color Your Own Decor. You can find it in the Easter section. You'll also need a grapevine wreath, along with some ribbon of your choice, one of these Dollar Tree candlesticks, and some greenery of your choice. Now, I'm not 100% sure I'm going to use the greenery, but we'll see. For our first step in this DIY, we're going to be painting our grapevine wreath and our candlestick white. And to do that, I'm going to use this Rust-Oleum flat enamel. And once we have that done, we're going to bring back in our Color Your Own Decor. We're going to take one of the little signs and we're going to stain it. I'm going to be using my favorite stain, the Americana Gel Stain in Oak. Now this little pack comes with these little markers and they're actually quite fun to color with. So first we start by staining our piece. And once it's dried, now it's ready to color. And for this, I kept it simple. I kept it 3 colors, the yellow, the green, and the pink. But you can make it as colorful as you choose. I also think it would be pretty whitewashed as well. Then once we're done, we're left with this cute little piece. I wanted to add a bit of sparkle to mine, so I came in with this spray adhesive and this iridescent glitter and glittered mine. And as you'll see, it leaves a beautiful shine on the front. Now we're going to bring back in our candlestick and add some green excelsior grass to the top side of our candlestick. Hey guys, I hope you're liking the craft so far. And if you are and you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because we would love to have you here at Sweet Bay Lane. Well, let's get back to our craft. Once we have that done, we set it aside to dry our hot glue and we bring back in our painted grapevine wreath. And for this step, it's quite easy. We're just going to glue our sign into the center of our grapevine wreath. And to give it a little bit more stability, because my wreath was just a tad bit larger than my Happy Easter sign, I cut out a piece of this tan felt and glued it to the bottom side of my project, connecting the sign to the wreath. we're left with this very secure little wreath. Now we're going to attach our wreath to the top of our candlestick. And to do that, I'm just going to add a ton of hot glue and stick the wreath base right down into the excelsior grass. Just making sure to hold it in place till it dries securely. Then your piece should look something like this. Now, I decided to add some excelsior grass to the top of my wreath and add a cute little painted knob to the top. Now, instead of adding the greenery or the smaller satin ribbon, I decided to go with this larger bright pink satin ribbon. I just made a simple bow and glued it to the base of my wreath. Then you're left with this cute little piece of home decor to celebrate your upcoming Easter holiday. So this wraps it up for part 1 of our Easter Spring series. I can't wait to see you for the next one. Well, until next time, keep it crafty.